Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video, and this is a video that I should have done so long ago, but I've just been doing other stuff. So it is on the new Nars foundation, and this is, I don't know the exact name, okay? It's the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It retails for $49.99. I got it maybe 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, something like that, when it like just came out. So the shade I got is CHRONICLES, and then I don't know, sometimes it looks flat on me, sometimes it don't, but I feel like for the winter it'll work. So I've already primed my face. I'm just about to hey, I was filming a video to film my I'm about to spray my Mario Badescu spray. Okay, and I think I'm gonna apply this with the beauty blender. There's 3 pumps. Yeah, I can go like maybe a shade darker. Well, oh, it's blending in pretty good. And I guess this is like buildable, so see where I still have dark spots, I could, you know, put another layer over there. And this is my first Nars foundation. Like, I didn't have the All Day Luminous. I know it was pretty popular. I want to get some of their concealers. I have a dark concealer shade because I was using it to contour, but I want to try like a concealer to highlight. And this is my like what, 3rd time wearing this. The first time I liked it, but I wasn't, you know, in love. So let's see, maybe I just didn't apply it right. Probably was having a bad makeup day. Make sure you get that hairline so it don't look like you have on a mask. I know I look crazy like under these areas, but I'm covering it up with concealer anyway, so. This foundation kind of reminds me of the Makeup Forever foundation. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. Maybe we need to put it everywhere to brighten it up. And I just love these 2 concealers together. But this video isn't about the concealer, it's about the foundation. So I'm just gonna finish my face and I will come back and let y'all know my thoughts on the foundation once everything is on. So my makeup and everything is all finished. I've highlighted, contoured. Wait, no, I didn't highlight. Oh my gosh. I highlighted, but I didn't put on highlighter. Let me do that. Wow. It's crazy I had to say it for me to realize that I didn't do it. But I'm just going into this glow kit. And to be honest, a highlighter isn't even necessary, but maybe a little extra added, just a tad bit. Okay. Just tap it. Okay, so I'm glad I gave this foundation another chance. I was able to take my time this time. The other times I wore it, I was in a rush, so maybe that's why. But after I finished everything, I didn't even like feel the need to use like a setting spray, but I did anyway. But it wasn't necessary because it looked just like my skin. Like, I didn't see no powder particles, whatever. And even though I set everything, like, it did not look cakey. It looked just like my skin. Like, you can't even tell like I have on foundation. Well, I mean, you can tell what you can't. Like, that's how natural it looks like. Let me show y'all. And my smile lines haven't like creased yet, and I didn't even set them. But yo, for $50, this better have been this good, because I would have been like so mad. Yo, look at. So yeah, like I said, it reminds me of the Makeup Forever foundation. I definitely like recommend this for like if you like glowy skin. Maybe if you have oily skin, I feel like you could get away with it, because like look how good I set mine, and it's not like super like oily or shiny or anything, so you can get away with it. They have, I think, 33 shades, and like I said, mine is in Carcarus. I feel like I could go a shade darker, but it matches so perfectly like with my neck. So by the time the winter comes, I will definitely be needing a darker shade. I mean, the summer, I would definitely be needing a darker shade, and I don't mind like buying another one, because that's how much I love this foundation. So, and it has, I mean, 1 fluid ounce. So, and I love the packaging, very sleek and narrow, like easy to like store and travel with. So that's a plus. So yeah, I'm glad I gave this foundation a chance. And it's crazy because the only reason why I got this foundation is because when I went in the store, they didn't have Fenty. So I was like, I'm not leaving out here without a new foundation. So I just picked this up, and I wasn't even like planning on getting it. So I'm glad I did. So yes, if you have tried this foundation already, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like it, or if you don't have it yet, let me know if you're planning on getting it. Like, I really like it. And if my opinion like matters to you, like, I recommend this. You know, I love it. Like, you will most likely find your shade. Like I said, 33 shades. Like, that's like so important, and like that's a plus already. To be honest, like I usually could say like the pros and cons. I don't have not one con about this product other than the price. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth it, I will say that. But I don't have anything bad to say. And then it has a pump, so it's not messy. Like, a lot of foundations need to get on board with the pump. But yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all another close-up, and then that will be it. Like, sorry this review was like really quick, but like there's not really much to say other than I love it. Like, it did a great job. So let me show y'all again. And it is like radiant. Like, before I even applied my highlight, I was glowing a little bit. So that is the end of this little review, demo, whatever y'all want to call it, on the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. See, I gotta get used to saying that because that's a long name. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So we gonna it's natural looking, it's radiant looking, but we're gonna test the longwear part out today. I'm gonna see how long it lasts on me without having to touch it up. That might be hard because I'm always like touching my makeup up throughout the day, but I'm gonna try not to, you know, to come back and give y'all an update if I can. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you are new, I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment, and I will see y'all in the next video.